The Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field is constantly shifting, and over the past 200 years, the magnetic North Pole has moved over 600 miles, 965 kilometers, toward Siberia. Imagine our planet as a giant magnet. The Earth's magnetic field, an invisible force, surrounds us, protecting us from harmful solar winds. Did you know this magnetic field is always on the move? Its North Pole is not a constant, stable point. Over the last 200 years, it's shifted over 600 miles. That's a journey from London to Edinburgh. This mysterious trek is heading towards Siberia. Now, that's what we call a magnetic personality. But worry not, this shift doesn't mean danger. It's a natural, slow process. So, keep calm and let Earth do its magnetic dance.